Hi everyone, this is your Venture1 teacher Alex. Welcome back. Today in this video we are going to read and answer questions about a class schedule. Please open your student book to page 80 in Unit 6, Lesson F. Open your student book to page 80 in Unit 6, Lesson F. Let's begin. Exercise 1, Life Skills Reading. A. Read the questions, look at the schedule, fill in the answer. Before we look at the questions and fill in the answer, let's take a look at the class schedule itself. Okay. So what do we see here? So in the first column, this is the first column. We see business English, keyboarding, introduction to computers, word processing, ESL beginning, ESL intermediate, ESL citizenship, ESL pronunciation, ESL writing. And these are basically the names of the courses. More specifically, let's see. Basically, these classes are for business. These classes here for English as a second language. But in general, these are the names of the courses. What's this? The second column is the days that the class meets, and these are the abbreviations for the days of the week. And if you don't know what abbreviation is, abbreviation is used when we want to show a short form of a longer word. So in this case, for the days we have, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right? But instead of writing this entire thing, we write Monday as M, Tuesday as T, Wednesday as W. And another abbreviation that we see is the course is actually, the name of the courses are ESL beginning, ESL intermediate, but this ESL is abbreviation for English as a second language. So English as a second language shortened form is ESL. What is this? The third column. The third column shows you the time that the class meets. The last one are the dates that the class meets. And another question that I can ask is, what semester is it scheduled for? And then this semester is for, or the schedule is for spring semester. And let's see. And then, oh, okay. Now, with this in mind, we will continue with exercise 1A. erase this really fast. Okay. So, number 1, which classes meet on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday? Okay, so why don't we look at the second column and see what kind of class meets on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Here, Business English, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So this is a check right here. I'm gonna do with a red here. Check. So here we have Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Keyboarding course, same thing. They do meet on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Not for introduction to computers and word processing because they only meet on Tuesday and Thursday. For English as a second language course, we have Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for ESL beginning and ESL intermediate. So we put a check. ESL citizenship only has a class on Saturday and Sunday, but ESL pronunciation has a class on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So check. And ESL writing does not have a class on Friday, so it's no check. Let's look at the answer choices for question 1. So ESL beginning and ESL intermediate. So ESL beginning, yes. Check. It's Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Is ESL intermediate? Check. So A could be the answer, definitely. Keyboarding and ESL writing. Keyboarding, Wednesday, Friday. Check. ESL writing. Ooh. No class on Friday, so this does not work. So I'm going to cross it out. X. Keyboarding, yes. ESL citizenship. ESL citizenship, as I mentioned, only has class on Saturday and Sunday, so nope. Finally, keyboarding and ESL pronunciation. Wednesday, and Friday. So this is a go. So the answers are A and D. A and D. Question number 2. When does the introduction to computers class start? When does it start? We will look at the dates in column 4. Column 4 right here. So introduction to computers is right here. And the dates are from March 17th to May 24th. And they're asking, when does the introduction to computers class start? And then we can see that it starts on March 17th. So the answer, March 17th, I see, which is the C. Perfect. And these are all wrong. Oops. Next, it's not March 16th, it's on March 19th. Question number 3. When is the word processing class? When is the word processing class? So we're going to look at the word processing right here. So word processing. And we're going to look at the days, which is on the second column. And we see it's Tuesday and Thursday. So the answer is B for question number 3. Everything else is wrong. Number 4. When does the spring semester end? Spring semester end. And then we're gonna have to also look at the dates. It says when does the spring semester end? If we look at the dates, most of the courses here, the dates, most of the courses actually ends in May, like May 25th, May 24th, May 19th. You know, so there are a total of 3 dates when the class ends. They're all in May, so we can say question number 4. The answer is D. D. For the next exercise, 2B, it says solve the problem. Which solution is best? Circle your opinion. You want to take the citizenship class on Saturday morning. You can't attend Saturday classes in January. What should you do? Number 1 is not take the class. Number 2 is take the Sunday class. Number 3 is talk to the teacher. And number 4 is other. I think, let's see. Well, for the spring semester, they only offer ESL citizenship class on Saturday and Sunday. So in this case, you can't attend any Saturday classes for January. The best choice would be just to take the ESL citizenship course on Sunday. And that's okay because they do provide a class right here. Sunday. Let me do it with a blue pen. Sunday. So I think this is the best answer. Let's go to page 81 now. Page 81. Page 81. Now, page 81, exercise 2, grammar connections. Start, end, and open, close. So, simply, we use verbs such as start and end for saying the times of events, times. But then it is important to remember that we use open and close for saying the times that places are open to the public. Let me read this. So for example, it says what time does the meeting start? And then what time does it end? For open and close, what time does the store open? What time does it close? So to emphasize, the start end is about event. Oh, I'll do it red or blue. So this is an event. So what time does the meeting end? So it's an event. Here, this is about a public places. So in this case, store. So what time does the store open? Yeah, you don't want to say what time does the meeting open. That doesn't make any sense because it's not a place. It's an event. So exercise 2A. It says talk with a partner, ask and answer questions about the notices. Take turns. Since I don't have a partner and you don't have a partner, I'm just gonna go over this together. Okay. So let's look at the notices. So here we have a computer club meeting every Tuesday, 5 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. at the Lincoln Library, and library hours are 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. We have the history of rock music. See a great show about rock music. Show is at 7 p.m. Oh, show is from 7 p.m. to 9:15 p.m. Wednesday. And in order to buy a ticket, the ticket office hours are only open from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. Another notice is cooking class with Yolanda. Learn to cook with Yolanda Gomez at Yoli's Cafe. It is 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. on Saturdays. Restaurant hours is 12 p.m. to 10 p.m. Basketball game, Rockets vs Leopards. Game time 7:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. on Friday. Gym hours 4:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. So let's try to ask and answer questions about the notices. So for example, here it says, what time does the computer club meeting start? At 5 p.m. What time does the library close? At 8 p.m. And we can see that right here. So it does start, the meeting or the event starts at 5 p.m. every Tuesday. But since we're meeting at the Lincoln Library, the library hours are from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And so it closes to the public at 8 p.m. Okay. So what about the history of rock music? For the question, we say, what time does the history of rock music show start? So what time does the history of rock music show start? And then you can say at 7 p.m. What time does the ticket office hour close it? And it closes at 6 p.m. 6 p.m. So here the event is the show and the place is the ticket office hours. Next one, cooking class with Yolanda. So I say, what time does the cooking? What time does the cooking class with Yolanda start? What time does the cooking class with Yolanda start? At 9 a.m. At 9 a.m. And you can say 9 a.m. on Saturday as well, I think. And what time does the Yoli's Cafe close? It closes at 10 p.m. I think I need to fix this before we go. For the history of rock music, I said what time does what time does the ticket office hours, what time does the ticket office close? And I should have said 11 p.m., not 6 p.m. Sorry about this. Please fix this to 11 p.m. And the last one, basketball game. So I say, what time does the basketball game start? And it starts at 7:30 p.m. on Friday. What time does the gym close? And I said the gym close at 10:30 p.m. And for exercise 2B, talk with your partner, write times for the signs, then sharing information with the class. Example here, it says, what time does the park open? How about 9 a.m.? No, that's too late. How about 7 a.m.? Okay, and it closes at blah blah blah. Um, this is a similar exercise as we did in exercise 2A. So I think I'm going to skip this. I think this will be it for this lesson F. Another view. Um, we'll continue with more practice for the next video. All right. Thank you for joining.